The Earth takes about 365.25 days to orbit the Sun at an average speed of 107,280 km per hour. The reason for the term average here it's because the orbit around the Sun is elliptical. The speed along its trajectory is not consistent. It travels at 109,044 km at its closest point to the Sun along an elliptical orbit, but at 105,444 km at its farthest point from the Sun. There is a speed difference at 3,600 km per hour. In 1609, German astronomer and mathematician Johannes Kepler devised the second law of planetary motion, which states that an imaginary line connects the planets as they move along elliptical orbits. And the Sun sweeps the same area of space in the same amount of time regardless of where the planet is along its orbital path. January passes faster than July because the Earth is closer to the Sun, and July passes more slowly than January because the Earth is farther from the Sun. The closer a planet is to the Sun, the faster it moves along its orbital path. Kepler's second law of planetary motion mathematical equation is instrumental in formulating Isaac Newton's law of gravitation. This law describes the gravitational force between the Earth and the Moon and between the Sun and the planets. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, completes its annual orbit in 87.9 days at an average speed of 172,440 km per hour. The next planet, Venus, completes an orbit in 224.7 days at an average speed of 126,000 km per hour. Mars has an average speed of 86,760 km and an orbital period of 1.88 years. Jupiter has an average speed of 47,160 km per hour and an orbital period of 11.86 years. Saturn has an average speed of 34,704 km and an orbital period of 29.37 years. Uranus has an average speed of 24,588 km and an orbital period of 84.1 years. Neptune has an average speed of 9,800 km and an orbital period of 164.9 years. Pluto has an average speed of 16,920 km and an orbital period of 248.6 years.